Coming up next, a warehouse build. Hey, welcome back. Hope everybody's doing okay. Like always, want to take this time to thank all my subscribers, and for those who leave a comment, it's truly appreciated. So if you guys know me by now, I love building with balsa wood. So I decided to find some buildings inside my FEC book, and I found this little warehouse station, platform, if you will. And I decided to go ahead and try to put it together. Now, I wanted to go step by step, but it just takes too long. And this would be like a 15-hour video. So I just took some pictures, and I'm just highlighting the progress and then the finished product. Now, if you guys are wondering how much measurements I take, well, I take basically none. I use the little people, and then I get the height of the buildings just by using them. I do very little measuring. Everything is by eye, believe it or not. I'm not an engineer or architect or anything like that, so I just try to wing it. Well, there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, and click the little bell button. Appreciate it. Happy railroading. Bye.